Greetings, it's Langford Jackson from Superhero Training Manual, here to teach you how to use a biceps machine. You can find these in any gym. They'll have different kind of handles, different angles, but it's all basically the same. Number one, you want to find the pivot point of the machine, which is where the arm pivots. Usually it's marked with a good circle. This one had a red circle here, right? And that's where you want to line up your elbows. So instead of being here, I'm going to bring my elbow down, line up with that pivot point. When I pull, it's a lot smoother. See that? A lot smoother. And of course, with two arms, both elbows down, aligned with the pivot point. Boom. All right? And that's good. So each, like I said, each handle is different. This one here is more of a pronated grip, where the thumb is a little higher. To get the bicep with the pinky a little higher, you can't do it on this machine. So a little trick. Got a little handle here you can grab from the cable machine. Strap it right there on the, slip it right over the handles there. Now I'm gonna, you can see my hand, as opposed to being prone, I'm gonna put it more in the supinated position. Now when I do my curl, boom, I can have more freedom of movement, right? So I have to strap it. Only negative is you don't get that full stretch at the bottom. But you can maybe find a smaller handle. But that's a good trick to use.